Hello my dear students. Today's topic is addition and subtraction of rational numbers. In previous video we have studied about comparison of rational numbers. I hope you have watched that. Today we are going to study addition and subtraction of rational numbers. There are two conditions to add the rational numbers. First, if denominators are same, and second, if denominators are different of rational numbers. Now, let's discuss about first type of rational numbers. To add or subtract, if a by b and c by b, b and b are the denominator are same, are two rational numbers such that if we want to add them, then we will find out it a by b plus c by b. That is, if denominator are same, then we will write as only one denominator of both numerators, and whatever the operation is here, whether is plus, whether is minus, then we will add or subtract it like this. B and b will be same as a denominator, and a and c will be added like this, a plus c. This is the answer. If the denominator are same, then we will write their denominator as a unique and numerator will be added or subtracted. Now for example, 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are the rational numbers, two rational numbers. Then to add them, we will find 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. It means 4 and 4 are the same denominators. Then, as the previous rule, we will add numerator 1 plus 2, and the denominator will be same of both rational numbers, which means 1 plus 2, that will be 3 by 4. If there is minus, then both numerator will be subtracted. There is no other condition for the subtraction. If there is plus, it will be added. If there is minus, it will be subtracted. The rule is and the process is same for them. Now second type of rational number, if we want to add them, if their denominators are different, if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, there is b and there is d, and both denominator are different. So we have to make both denominators same, then we can move next. So to make them same as a denominator, what we should do, we have to find out one as a number as will be the same of both. It will depend on the LCM. If we will find out the LCM of both number, the LCM will be same for both denominator. So we will find out the LCM of both denominator b and d. To make them same, then a by b plus c by d, it will be the LCM bd. So to make b as a d, we have to multiply with d downside and upside, numerator and denominator. It will be ad. And to make d as bd as a denominator, as a LCM, then we have to multiply with d b and with c also b, then it will be cb, then both will be added, and like this we can move next. For example, as a numeral, as a numerals, rational numbers like 2 by 3 plus 4 by 6 are two rational numbers, then as a process we find out the LCM of 3 and 6. It will be 6. Then both denominators we have to make them same. Then 6 is the LCM. Then to make 3 as a 6, then we have to multiply with 2, and if we multiply numerator or in denominator with any number, we have to multiply with both. So 2 is and 2 will be multiplied with 2 by 3. It will give you, and there is no condition to make 6 as a 6, so we have to left it. So 2 is multiplied, 2 multiplied with 2, it will be 4, and 3 2s are 6, that will be 6. And now both denominators are same, then we will add 4 plus 4, it will give you 8 by 6. 6, as previous one I told you, if denominators are same, then we will write as only one denominator. Now we have got the answer of this. These process will be progressive for any number of rational numbers. There is two rational numbers, it may be a lot of rational number, the process will be same. And for that process, if the denominators are different, and we have to find out all the denominators LCM and to make them as same the LCM, then we will get that the process. And this process, I told you, this process will be same for the subtraction also, but for the multiplication is different. So now let's see another example as a typical examples. If 2 by 9 and 3 minus 3 by 5 are the rational numbers and having different denominator, what should you do? As the previous process we will find out the LCM. Why? To make denominator same, and you know that only LCM can make both denominators same. So find out the LCM of 9 and 5, it will be 45. Then we have to make 9 and 5 as 45, as the same 45. So 9 to make 9 as 45, we have to multiply it by 5. So, and also we have to multiply it with the denominator and numerator also. And to make 45, we multiplied by 9, and also we have to multiply with numerator also. Then we will get 2 into 5, it will be 10, and 9 times 5, it will be 45, and minus 3 multiplied by 9, it will give you minus 27, and 5 multiplied with 9, it will 45. Then now we have same denominators and there is no problem. We will write as only one unique denominator, and we will put as the operation numerators 10 operation plus and that number. Now operation of integers in previous classes, class 6 and 7th, has been introduced you how to add or subtract the integers. Now this is positive and this is negative integer, it will be subtraction. Whether it's plus, there is no condition. So we will subtract when we find negative and positive integers. This is negative integers, then we subtract from negative integers this small positive integers, we will get minus 17 by 45 is the answer. Now we have finished the addition and subtraction. 17 by 45 is the answer. Now it has been finished addition and subtraction of rational numbers. I hope you are carrying on your study. I have uploaded exercise belongs to this process, so go at the site of PSM Public School and download that PDF and solve that problems. If you have any problem, you can call me. So carry on as your study. Be safe at your home, and thank you.